Hey, thanks everyone. If you're new, my name is Baz. Today we are diving into the phenomenal breakthrough of DeepSeek AI, which is released a new model, Janus, 7 billion parameters image generation once. And the model is not only efficient, it's significant in affordable compared to its major competitor Meta and OpenAI. From its groundbreaking architecture to its real world application, let's explore its unified multimodal understanding and generation with the data and model scaling with images. DeepSeek Janus-Pro is state-of-art a model developed by the DeepSeek, a leading innovator in artificial intelligence. With 17 billion parameters, Janus-Pro designed to handle complex tasks like natural language processing, reasoning, even creative problem solving. But what it makes it unique for me, the DPG benchmarks, it's doing pretty decently uh, good in terms of like 84.2. That's amazing because it has that architecture with mixture of experts and multi-hit latent attention and reinforcement learning with lesser cost involved. Let's go deep dive into the architectural design of it. So China's pros 7 billion parameters like a face of beautiful girl. So it showed the significant improvement. But the major thing, if you look at right, the model understand between the relationship between the text and image, and it's convert the text and image with this logical reasoning, self reinforcement learning, and it generate most advanced images. So it's gonna be a biggest change into the text to image, the multimodality, the industry, how we interacted into the multimodals is between text, image, and audio, but combining all these three together and generate a unique images and the reasoning on top of it, like it's pretty awesome. And a steaming cup of coffee on wooden table, so it's understand the context and it's generated that. And this images shows like how a Janus Pro 7B it's doing. And when it comes to the architecture overview of that, Janus Pro is multimodal. Uh, Multimodality. It consists of the three main components. It's visual encoder. That visual encoder is responsible for encoding the images into the compact representation that can use by the language models. Janus Pro uses a singly large patch 1638 model visual encoders, and the large language model itself is responsible to the processing the text inputs generated by the output into the ones. And it's a major thing if you look at like the multimodal fusion is a major component here. The how the multimodal fusion component is responsible by combining both the visual and text representation together into a single multimodal representation. Janus-Pro uses a simple concatenation based approach with a multimodal fusion. What does it means? Like it's understand the image and the prompt which you have given to it, and it's generate its own logic and generate the output of it. So earlier, like if you go with the other large languages, the models, it it might not understand the relationship between the image and the prompt, and that is the reason, right, when it goes into the most advanced healthcare industry where it's required us to give us like most accurate image and prompt together, the image and text and audio to combine three and give us like the most um, appropriate answers to it. So the multimodal fusion is been there. So if you see it like how it's understanding it, like it has an auto regressive transformer. It means like it has a self-learning capabilities with reinforcement learning with the CNN capabilities. It's take those text code uh, tokenizers, and it takes the image decoder, and it's combined together, and it generates that output to it. So let's say this image, right? This image depicts the coastal landscape, which has a series of rugged rocks and ones, but it's giving to most detailed explanation about the scenic view. So it's understand the scenic, and it explain to it. And similarly, if you see the general knowledge, the cake theme is a classic cartoon, and it's Tom and Jerry, and the cake feature the characteristic of Tom and Jerry. So it's understand that image, and generate the relative content with this understanding it. That's most significant ones. And and let's see how it's been doing it. So if you look at like the golden retriever laying peacefully on a wooden porch, and it shows like how dog is gonna sleep it. Yeah, thanks for watching it, and please subscribe for more video content. Hey, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to watch more A related content and tech related content. Thanks everyone.